Welcome back to Great Day. Valentine's Day came and it went, and I'm sure many of you received some flowers on or around the holiday. So what do you do with the leftover flowers you have sitting around? You preserve them, that's what. Teresa Rennie is the owner of the Floral Preservation Company. She joins us now to share her easy-to-operate flower preservation kit. I have one of them too, so you can make those memories last. Teresa, it's good to see you.
Hey, good morning. Thank you so much for having me, and welcome to my studio/kitchen.
Our first question for you is, how'd you come up with this idea?
My great-grandmother had a keepsaking tradition with flowers where she would press them in her Bible. And visiting her when I was about 10, picking it up, having flowers fall over everywhere, they just weren't preserved in a way to keep that long-term keepsake. And that stayed with me. So that's been my evolution of my product, my kit, and all the albums to save them in.
That is really, really special. And then we have to ask you about the flower preservation kit that you've created.
The evolution has been on every roadblock I had where I needed something a little bit better. It helped me go to that next step with that next component. So I have 5 components in my kit. And the first one are, of course, the preserving boards, if you can see those. This took a while to figure out this kind of material to use that kind of reduces the footprint. Also have quick dry papers. And this was an evolution too, because you think all paper towels and anything paper in this modality is absorbent, but they're not. We've got the most absorbent material that helps with your dehydration. And next thing is my preserving cord, and that makes it's microwave proof, and we wrap it around our boards and cinch them up. Also, we have a preserving mist. And why this is so important is once your flowers are 100% dried, even though they have their color, they're going to be a little fragile. It has a binary effect, and it helps with that fabric-like, and it's going to last generations. Always going to have that texture. And also have tweezers, which are your second fingers. You never want to touch your flower with your fingers because they have oil in them.
And also, again, you can get all of these in this kit right here, Teresa. It is such a cool idea for you to keep a flower or a bouquet that represents a milestone in your life. I love this idea, Teresa. Thank you for joining us. And we will post a link for all of you at home to buy a flower preservation kit on our website, kmovie.com/greatday, following the show.